Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Today in this lecture we start exercise 2.6. Before starting exercise, we discuss one or two derivatives and definitions as well. Exponential function. You have already solved this. You have already studied. So exponential function, simple wording that when a variable is involved in its exponent, that is called exponential function. But mathematically we write it if y is equal to a power x, that is called exponential function. But there are conditions that where a is always positive, a is not equal to 1, two terms are involved here. So one is a and another is x. So a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. So where and x is any real number. So it is called an exponential function. Likewise, if it is y is equal to e power x, then this is also an exponential function, but it is called natural exponential function. Natural exponential function. And derivative, if we discuss, so dy over dx is equal to derivative of a power x, that is equal to a power x into log of a. Proof is already given in your book, but this is just a formula. This is just a formula. Derivative of e power x, that is equal to e power x. Derivative of e power x is e power x, and derivative of a power x is equal to a power x into log of a. And the logarithmic function, I think you have studied this logarithm. What is this? If y is equal to a power x, y power a power x, or x is equal to a power y, then this implies that log of y is equal to log of x base a. If this is the function x is equal to a power y, then it can be written as y is equal to log of x base a. Now describe what is x, what is a. A greater than 0, a is not equal to 1, and x is also greater than 0 here. But in this book, this is you have already studied. But which I wanted to tell you that there are two things, that y is equal to log of x base a and y is equal to log of x base e. This logarithm is called common logarithm, whereas this one is called natural logarithm. But this natural logarithm, we normally don't write in this form. We write it like y is equal to L and x. Natural log, for the natural log, the symbol is used, that is ln. So log of x base e means natural logarithm, and natural logarithm is written like this. And in this we use natural logarithm, not common logarithm. So derivative of natural logarithm is so on, same. Derivative of So it is 1 by x. So derivative of natural logarithm we write 1 by x. So you have studied this that derivative of a power x, derivative of e power x, and derivative of natural log of x. So it is a power x log of a, it is simple e power x, and it is 1 by x. So these are the things. Moreover, hyperbolic function you have studied this thing in chapter 1. Sine hyperbolic x derivative that is equal to cos hyperbolic x, and derivative of cos hyperbolic x that is sine hyperbolic x. Simple derivative of cos x is minus sine x, but cos derivative of cos hyperbolic x that is sine hyperbolic x. Tan hyperbolic x that is secant hyperbolic square x. So likewise their reciprocals are all. But and then inverse is also involved. But we start exercise. In the exercise, I tried to solve first question part 1. That is, he is asking that find f prime of x. F prime of x means that derivative, first derivative. So in the first part he is saying f of x is equal to e power square root of x minus 1. The complete value is in its exponent. So differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of f of x is equal to derivative of this. So it becomes f prime of x. And this one, as I told you, that derivative of e power x is e power x. So derivative of the exponential function is this one minus 1. But again we derivate its power. This one. So this value remains same as it is, and differentiate this one. Derivative of x power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2, and derivative of 1 is 0. So it can also be written as that e power square root of x minus 1 into 1 divided by 2 into square root of x, or 1 divided by 2 into square root of x e power square root of x minus 1. So this is the derivative of the given function f of x. I solve one or two more from this. I'll solve the third part. F of x is equal to e power x 1 plus log of x. So here differentiate with respect to x, prime of x, and derivative e power x into 1 plus log of x. There are two things now. Take the product of these two whole, or you may also multiply these values e power x with these two terms and then take the derivative. So if I multiply this one, so I get e power x plus e power x log of x, and now this derivative is for both. E power x log of x. Derivative of e power x is e power x simple plus. Now here we have product. So in a product, second function, derivative of first function plus first function, derivative of second. So e power x plus log of x, derivative of e power x is e power x. Put this dot here, otherwise this e power x will be the part of this x and log, plus e power x, and derivative of log of x is 1 by x. Or this can also be written as e power x plus e power x log of x plus e power x 1 by n. You may take e power x common, simplify it. That is also the common you can take. So, but this is the part. I solve another part of this question. Question number 1, part 7. F of x is equal to square root of log of x e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. So here differentiate with respect to x e power 2x plus e power minus 2x whole power 1 by 2. So this is a whole power. So first of all we differentiate power. So 1 by 2 log of e power x plus e power minus 2x whole power minus 1 by 2 into derivative of this. This one. Or it can also be written as 1 over 2 into log of e power x, e power 2x plus e power minus 2x into derivative of log is 1 over e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. Now derivative of e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. Now try to understand this thing. First of all, whole power is there, so we derivate first of all the whole power. Then come inside the power inside the bracket. So log function is there, so we take the derivative of log. So first of all the whole power, then derivative of log. After that, derivative of function of log. So derivate this one. So we have 2 into log of e power 2x plus e power minus 2x into 1 divided by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x into, there are two functions, so derivative of this one e is e power 2x into derivative of 2x plus derivative of e function, exponential function is as it is, into derivative of minus 2x. So this is the process. Now derivate it and you will get the answer here. If I derive it here, 2 log of e power 2x plus e power minus 2x, 1 e power 2x plus e power minus 2x into e power 2x into derivative of 2x is 2 plus e power minus 2x into derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. So 2 is common, so we take it out common and simplify the value. 1 over 2 log of e power 2x plus e power minus 2x into 1 divided by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. 2 is common, so we have e power 2x minus e power minus 2x. 2 and this 2 is cancelled. E power 2x minus e power minus 2x divided by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x. This is our answer. Or if you want to replace this value, this is equal to tan hyperbolic 2x. So if you want to write tan hyperbolic 2x, that is also correct answer. But if you want to leave it as it is, that is also correct answer. So here e power 2x plus e power minus 2x into tan hyperbolic 2x. So, but leave that thing. This is our answer. If you want to change, you may change. Doesn't matter. But again, I tell you the sequence. This is the whole power. So first of all, we derivate the whole power. Then we come to this log. So we derivate this log. Then we go inside the log and we derivate this one. When we are derivating this one, again in exponential function in power there is 2x is involved. So first of all e power 2x is derivate, then it's 2x again derivate in both the cases. So this is the way, and the rest is the simplification. So this is the way how to derivate this function. So try to solve this. In the next lecture we will try to solve next question. Thank you very much.